Hi class, I miss you so much. Today is AMI day number 3 and Math Talk day number 2. Number 2. So anyway, this is Mr. Tibbles, and at our classroom we have One-Eyed Nick and we have Harry the Hedgehog. But at my house, Mr. Tibbles lives here. So he's going to join our class today. Can you say hi to my students? He says hi. All right, Mr. Tibbles loves math. We're going to get right to decimals today. So I want you to take a few seconds and name these decimals. Okay, Emma is my camera operator. Emma, can you see these clearly? Okay, great. All right, go ahead and name them with your families. All right, Mr. Tibbles he wants to hear how smart you are. I'm telling him all the time that you guys are mathematicians. Here we go. All right, here we go. We're going to go to the right of the decimal point. So this is 5 tenths. Here we go. Tenths, hundredths, 50 hundredths, tenths, hundredths, 75 hundredths, 89 wholes, and tenths, hundredths, 36 hundredths, 3 wholes, and 6 tenths, tenths, hundredths, 9 hundredths. So I'm going to go back and write these as a fraction. I know you guys can do this in your head, or if you've got paper and pencil and you want to write them down, you can. Here we go. 5 tenths, 50 hundredths, 75 hundredths, 89 wholes. We're going to write a mixed number. So 89 wholes and 36 hundredths, 3 wholes, and 6 tenths. Now we've got no holes, 0 holes, and tenths, hundredths, so 9 hundredths. Okay, that was probably pretty easy for you guys. Yes, he thinks I need to step it up a little bit, make this a little bit harder. All right, let's compare a few fractions. A few decimals, which are fractions actually. Here we go. 3 and 76 hundredths, 3 and 4 hundredths. All right, let me give you a second. I know you're trying to think which is greater than, less than, or equal to. Here we go. Let's write this as a mixed number. 3 wholes and 76 hundredths, and 3 wholes and 4 hundredths. You're right. 3 and 76 hundredths is more or greater than 3 and 4 hundredths. You're right. All right, let's do another one. Okay, I want you to go ahead and shout it out right now. Go ahead and shout out, compare these two fractions. I know that you've already done it. I know, Mr. Tibbles, they're amazing. They're working hard on their math and their AMI packets. They're amazing. Here we go. So we've got 4 and 75 hundredths and 4 and 7 hundredths. All right, I know you guys know that is greater. This number is greater than that number. All right, I know. Mr. Tibbles, he keeps interrupting my lesson. All right, he wants to see if I can trick you. Here we go. All right, go ahead and compare those two decimals. No, Mr. Tibbles, I guarantee you you're not going to fool any kid in my class, any of the students in my class. Here we go. All right, is this greater than, equal to, or less than this number right here? Let's see. 6 tenths and 61 hundredths. Oh, I know, Mr. Tibbles. I know. All right, let's do cross multiplying. That's what he wants me to do. He wants me to prove, because he knows the answer. And I know you guys do too. Here we go. 10 groups of 60. 1 times 6 is 6. The 2 zeros. So 10 groups of 60 is 600. Mr. Tibbles, they already know this, I promise. 100 groups of 6 is 600. So I know that you guys all know that 6 tenths and 61 hundredths is equivalent. All right, so here's what Mr. Tibbles and I want you to work on. I want you to practice writing some decimals this week and see if you can compare them. I want you to name them. I want you to add some decimals. I want you to remember when you're adding decimals to line those decimals up. If you do some extra decimal work this week, send me your pictures. Send them on reminders, send them straight to my cell phone, and I'll give you some feedback. I love to see you do some extra work, and I know you're working so hard. I'm so proud of you. Mr. Tibbles is very proud of you too. So guys, until tomorrow, do your best work. I love you, and I can't wait to see you, hopefully after spring break. Bye, guys.